Yash Raj Films' memorable Bunty Aur Bubbly is returning with its second installment after a wait of 16 years. The trailer of Bunty Aur Bubbly 2 released on Monday and it has sent the audience into a frenzy. The rip-tickling comedy brings together two sets of con artists who belong to different generations against each other. How they try to prove who is the better pair by one-upping the other forms the crux of the story. Well, the trailer guarantees Bunty or Bubbly 2 to be a complete family entertainer. The makers have also unveiled the first look posters of Rani, Saif, Siddhant and Sharvari from the film. Rani Mukherjee will be seen playing the fashion queen of Fursadganj in the upcoming film. Bubbly's sartorial choices are over the top and eccentric. Bunty is supportive of his wife's efforts but not necessarily in agreement with her loud fashion choices. Saif will be playing the role of a railway ticket collector named Rakesh in the film. Sharvari is being presented in an uber glam avatar in the film, in which she has been paired opposite Siddhant Chaturvedi, who plays the new Bunty. Siddhant says Bunty Aur Bubbly 2 is an extremely special film for me because it presents me as a Hindi film hero for the first time in my career. I have waited for this moment for some time now and I can't wait to see the reaction of the industry and audiences. It's a huge project to be part of because we have all grown up watching Bunty Aur Bubbly and playing Bunty is a dream come true moment for me. While Sharvari says, I was honored that YRF could see me as the new Bubbly in the film. Bubbly is an iconic character in the history of Indian cinema. Thanks to Rani ma'am's incredible work in the first film, I am a big fan of her and hope that I have done justice to the role. The innovative teaser of Bunty Aur Bubbly 2 was quite liked by the audience. The moment the film's teaser hit the internet, it became a huge sensation. Audiences were in for a sweet nostalgia along with a healthy dose of humor that draws itself from the rivalry between the two rival pairs. The superbly crafted teaser left many wondering as to who came up with this idea. Well, now we have learnt that it was Aditya Chopra who came up with the brilliant idea of introducing the film in a unique way through its teaser, which by the way had no footage from the film. It seldom happens that a teaser does not make any use of its film footage, and that's what made this teaser from Bunty Aur Bubbly 2 all the more special. Spilling the beans, Rani Mukherjee reveals it was actually Adi's idea to set up Bunty Aur Bubbly 2 as a hilarious war of supremacy between two pairs of con artists with a teaser that won't have any film footage. He conceptualized it and he wrote it. He wanted us to troll each other. It's amazing to see the reaction to the teaser because we had so much fun shooting it. Helmed by Varun V. Sharma and produced by Yash Raj Films, Bunty Aur Bubbly 2 is set to hit screens worldwide on November 19.